Massive layoffs are continuing through 2026, and many people still do not understand how serious this shift really is. Entire departments are disappearing. AI, automation, outsourcing, and cost-cutting are changing the workforce in real time. Yesterday, we were out to lunch with a new representative. I mentioned that Bob had always been excellent at his job. The response was simple. Bob and another 1,000 people were fired over the phone. That is where we are now. Forget the old idea of sending hundreds of resumes into online systems and waiting for someone to rescue you. Start thinking in terms of skills, adaptability, and income generation. Add 2 hard skills and 2 soft skills immediately. Some examples. Hard skills: technology, AI tools, cybersecurity, logistics, healthcare systems, trades, repair work, technical support. Soft skills: communication, problem solving, reliability, organization, customer interaction, adaptability. This barely scratches the surface. There are hundreds of other options. The more creative, the better you can measure the market and get going. The people adapting fastest are staying active, learning quickly, meeting people, and moving before everyone else floods the market. Healthcare, logistics, infrastructure, skilled trades, cybersecurity, energy, repair services, and technical operations are still hiring because the real world still has to function every day. At the same time, many people may need to think beyond traditional employment. Small business and independent income may become one of the biggest survival strategies of the next decade. Pressure washing, mobile detailing, cleaning services, equipment repair, delivery contracts, bookkeeping, AI-assisted content, local services, or technical setup work. Many of these businesses can start small and grow while you rebuild stability. The old economy rewarded stability and specialization. The new economy rewards flexibility, speed, multiple income streams, practical skills, and people who can continuously adapt. You do not need to solve your entire future overnight, but you do need to move.